Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and that was totally copyrighted because literally everybody says that. Alright, well, hi, and I'm here to do a YouTube video. So, today, it's a little special. So, here I am in Driving Simulator, and I'm going to be, well, as you can see, I'm playing the One Piece intro, and I'm going to annoy everyone by doing some races while playing the One Piece intro. This is going to be great. And also, as you can see over here, I'm going to be saving up for a new car so that I can annoy people even further. And yes, if they start bullying me, then I'm just gonna play it even louder. So, as you can see already, I have it on 100, but I don't know what to do. Let me just move my thing up there. All right, so let's go and start a race. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's go. I believe there's a gathering over there because I see a lot of people just gathering up there. I'm gonna go check that area out to see if it's a race. Because I've been doing the around the world race a lot while spending the One Piece intro. This is its max volume, but I can turn up my Roblox volume if you want me to hear it. Value. Well, okay. Let's see. That guy's also playing music. Rap music. Huh. That's not great. Rap music is not good. I mean, some rap music doesn't have bad words in it, but like mostly they do. So that's why I'm just gonna avoid that person. I'm gonna let you hear the One Piece intro. Oh wait, no, the person just raced over to the race. Okay, I'm going back. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna win against a supercar. But I can try. Oh wait, nope, they didn't. Okay. Oh, I'm in the water. Alright, going up. Alright, well, there's a wall there. I might have to get out. Okay, don't want to fall in the ocean. Oh no, my art and truck! I can't jump over us. Okay, there we go. Got it. Here we go. I'm just gonna spam the One Piece intro over there. Oh no. Alright. I'm thinking. Turn that up. And no, this isn't like violently loud. They'll be okay. They'll be alright. They can only hear what I'm hearing, but and I'm not sure. But it depends on how much their Roblox volume is. So. And yeah, so you know it's a One Piece intro, they just said One Piece, so downtown race, let's go. Oh no. Let's move away from that. Oh, they're playing bad music. Don't listen to that stuff. Please, I'm begging you. It's not good. It's not good for your ears, and it just messes with your mind. It's not good for you. Just play One Piece intros all day. Yeah, or maybe just play some anime music. It's great. I was playing this another anime song like earlier, but it was a good song actually. Yeah, it was one of my favorites. I mean, I could play it right now, but like after we do some races and annoy people, because that's gonna be fun. All right, let's do this. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm recording, Mom. Sorry about that. Alright, so where's that race? Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna spin it out. Let's go over here. Oh, I see that one over there. Alright. Okay. Okay. Great 3. Midtown race. Oh, there's a race in progress already. Alright. Well, while we wait, I'm going to talk about my merch. Well, first of all, I don't have merch yet. This is a new YouTube channel. So once I get merch, then I might make a website for that so that you can order that online. And now I believe that this is open race, and I'm waiting for other people to join. I'm just gonna put in the chat, join the race to be in a YouTube video, but like I don't want to do that. Nah, they're gonna think I'm faking. Alright, well let's just go over here. Oh, okay, there's a bridge. There's a bridge. Let's see. Okay. That's not great. Alright, I should probably turn this down. There we go. But they'll have 100% volume. Just so like, we're just gonna have it pretty low. And yeah, I don't need to see what I'm doing, because it's totally safe driving. I'm driving so safely with my radio right in front of my face. Hey, ramp car. Okay, that's a lot of cars around that area. I don't know what's going on there. Alright. Well, let's speed things up. Okay. Or run into that guy. Alright, let's see. Let me go over here. I'm just gonna keep driving until I find another good race. Alright. Here we go. We're starting to see something in the distance. Oh, yay! Around the world race. Let's go annoy people. Okay, I think they're already in the race. Alright, it's a race in progress, but the thing that we can do is we can just wait and then blast our volume music at them. I think we're already blasting it. Yeah, we're already blasting it. Ugh. What is that disgusting music? Who is playing that? Oh, I think it's that person. No. Turn off that disgustingness. I swear. No, don't do that. No, I don't like that. Oh. Quit playing your disgusting music. I want to listen to One Piece. What? Is that in some sort of other language or something? Now they're playing something else? Oh, I mean, it's alright music. I mean, it doesn't have bad words in it. It's just instrumental, but seriously, why? drive safely. Cringe. You cannot surpass me. I am win. I am win. You know I am win. Let's go. No, I'm doing terrible. Well, that's because I'm in a Newton Martin truck. Not exactly the fastest. Not exactly the fastest truck in the game, but yeah. There's way faster vehicles, I swear. And just because I have an only $80,000 worth of a car does not mean I'm not good at this. Well, that's debatable. Alright, well, let me just get myself straightened here. Oh yeah, and if you listen closely to the One Piece intro, it tells what the goal of One Piece is. And it also explains why it has that title. In the intro, the narrator says it explains it. Oh, okay, I gotta join. No, let me in. Move! Let me in! Okay, well, we're in this other race, and we're about to start. So, and yes, because I only have 3 more minutes left on this video, I'm still going to be able to finish this race. If I could do it under 2 minutes. Which, not sure. I can never be sure. Alright, here goes. Let's try this. I'm in 5th place already. Uh-oh, not good. And it's the last place. Oh, 4th place. Nice. I wonder if there's somebody up there that is going slower than me. Whew, my foot's losing circulation. Alright, let's go. And yeah, this is me wiggling my foot back and forth. If you're wondering why I'm doing this. Well, since it is the end of this video, I might as well play the Giovanni's theme, which is the one that I talked about during the beginning of the video. I might as well do that. But yes, I'm going to continue to blast One Piece until they're done. Yes, I am going to win because I can win. Yes. There's only 4 people in here. Wait, no, 5 people. Oh, there was only 4 people. Alright, also, Giovanni's theme. Hold on. 1 second. Yep, I got the code. I might not be able to do this, but I'll try my best, guys. Alright, you're getting Giovanni's theme. Here you go.